Hello, I'm Logic Bunny, and come with me down the rabbit hole of knowledge.
Have you ever just sat still, perhaps watching a leaf drift on the wind, or a cloud slowly reshape itself in the sky? In those quiet moments, we often notice the grand movements of the world around us, but sometimes we forget the constant, intricate dance happening within our very own bodies, the silent symphony that allows us to reach, to embrace, to simply be present. There are times when our efforts feel unseen, our intentions unheard, as if the very act of moving forward, of expressing our deepest selves, meets a quiet resistance, leaving us feeling a profound sense of invisibility, a longing to be truly understood. But what if I told you that within you, there is an entire universe of tireless workers, dedicated to bringing your every intention to life, even the ones you don't consciously command? Today, we are not just going to unravel the astonishing biology of how muscles work. We are going to explore the profound logic woven into every fiber, every contraction, every silent command that lets you move through this world, connecting your inner will to outer action. Prepare to have your mind blown as we dive into the incredible, often unnoticed, power that resides beneath your skin. Ever wondered why your arm can bend, or how your legs know exactly when to push off the ground, carrying you from one moment to the next? It is more than just bones and joints. It is a symphony of tiny, powerful engines, each playing its part with incredible precision. The very principle of contraction and relaxation, a dance of proteins at a microscopic level, mirrors the ebb and flow we see in tides, in seasons, in the breath of the universe itself. It is a testament to an ancient, enduring wisdom, a blueprint of movement perfected over millennia, allowing us to interact with the world, to create, to discover. Understanding how these incredible structures operate can offer a new lens through which to view your own resilience, your own capacity to act, to change, to overcome, revealing the hidden strength that has always been a part of you. What secret language do these fibers speak to one another, coordinating actions that seem so simple, yet are so profoundly complex? How does the invisible spark of an idea in your mind translate into the tangible act of reaching out, of lifting, of walking forward? Let's dive into the logic of this magnificent system and discover the quiet power that moves us all. We feel the strength in our arms, the spring in our step, but have you pondered the invisible forces making it happen? It's not just big muscles you see, but a constant, hidden tug of war on a tiny scale, beyond imagination. This microscopic dance is the secret to every movement, from a blink to a leap of joy. Imagine muscles contracting, not just a squeeze, but a bustling ballet of two superstar proteins, actin and myosin. These tiny teams constantly grab, pull, and let go like a biological zipper, shortening and lengthening your muscles. This is the sliding filament theory, elegant, synchronized teamwork. Many believe muscle power is simply about size, but true strength, the secret to amazing power, lies in the efficiency and perfect synchronization of these tiny protein machines. It's like a finely tuned orchestra. Understanding this rhythm and delicate timing is key to discerning the intricate mechanics of all natural laws. This incredible choreography happens in a precise, three-step molecular handshake of contraction. First, calcium ions rush in, unlocking actin's binding sites. Then, myosin heads with powerful arms grab exposed actin. Finally, ATP, our body's energy currency, fuels a swift power stroke, pulling the filament. It's an energy-driven microballet, repeating millions of times. When we memorize biological terms without their incredible story, we miss profound wonder. Dismissing biology as abstract names robs your brain of the dopamine rush from understanding the how and why of life's processes. This deeper connection, this aha moment, is a powerful reward. Your muscles are like millions of tiny, perfectly synchronized rope teams, constantly pulling and releasing. They create every movement, from softest gesture to loudest exertion. This invisible tug of war pulls your world into motion, connecting inner intention to outer manifestation. What quiet, powerful movements are these teams orchestrating in you right now? Imagine a quiet intention forming in your mind, a simple thought to pick up a pen, to wave to a friend, or perhaps to take a single, confident step step forward. In that instant, an invisible lightning bolt sparks to life, tracing an incredible path. This is the electrical spark of life, a nerve impulse racing from your brain's command center down your spinal cord and along a delicate nerve fiber to a single muscle cell. It is your body's own high-speed data network transmitting desires into motion with breathtaking speed. Sometimes we fall into that just happens error, taking these movements for granted, as if they appear out of thin air. But beneath the surface of seemingly effortless action lies an incredibly complex ballet of neural pathways, chemical messengers called neurotransmitters, and precise timing. Your brain is not just a supercomputer, it is a master choreographer, orchestrating every twitch and flex with an invisible hand, turning an abstract thought into a tangible expression of will. This intricate dance reveals the profound connection between our inner world and our physical presence. For a symbolic exercise to discover the body's wisdom, consider the Reflex Arc. Have you ever accidentally touched something hot and pulled your hand away before you even consciously realized it was hot? That's your body's built-in shortcut for super fast reactions. Some movements, vital for self-preservation, bypass the conscious brain initially, demonstrating an incredible, ancient instinct woven into our very being. It's a testament to how deeply our body protects us, often without our knowing. The story of Leonardo da Vinci, centuries ago, reveals our enduring human curiosity about the body's mechanics. His detailed anatomical drawings, born from a profound spirit of inquiry, highlight a timeless fascination with the connection between the brain's intention and the body's execution. He observed the how with meticulous care, long before science could fully explain the why, laying a foundation for us to understand these profound truths. Your nervous system is the ultimate high-speed internet, connecting your brain's commands to every muscle in your body in milliseconds. It acts like a conductor leading a vast, complex orchestra, ensuring every instrument, every muscle fiber plays its part in perfect harmony. What quiet, powerful signals are being sent through your own high-speed network right now, shaping your next move, your next breath, your next step into the world. We often think of muscles as the engines that power our sprints, our jumps, our powerful lifts. But what if I told you your muscles possess secret superpowers, working tirelessly in the background, far beyond what you consciously command? They are the unsung heroes of your everyday existence, quiet guardians of your well-being. Consider shivering. That uncomfortable tremor when you're cold isn't just annoying. It is your muscles' vital, unconscious job to generate heat, acting as your internal thermostat. This is a crucial survival mechanism, a testament to the body's ingenious design, always striving for balance and warmth. It's a powerful, silent conversation between your environment and your internal world. There's a common myth that muscles are only for big movements, the grand gestures of athleticism. Yet, countless tiny, unsung muscles work constantly to maintain your posture, allowing you to sit or stand upright, to focus your eyes on this very screen, and even to help you breathe, a rhythm so fundamental to life. Their constant, quiet importance proves that strength isn't always loud or visible. Believing muscles are only about visible strength or athletic performance can sabotage a deeper appreciation of your body's engineering. This narrow view overlooks their critical roles in maintaining balance, supporting your vital organs, and even influencing your metabolism. It limits a holistic understanding of the magnificent, interconnected system that is you, preventing you from truly seeing the full spectrum of your body's wisdom. There was a curious teenager who once viewed the burn during exercise as mere pain, a chore to be endured. But when they understood that this sensation was their body adapting, signaling for energy, it transformed their entire perspective. The burn became a fascinating biological conversation, a sign of growth, a deeper connection to their own resilience. It was an aha moment that shifted fear into fascination. Truly, muscles aren't just the movers of your world. They are also your internal heaters, powerful shock absorbers, silent guardians of your stability, and protectors of your vital organs. They are a true multi-talented biological marvel, constantly working behind the scenes. What other quiet, incredible roles might your muscles be playing right now, making every moment of your existence possible? Have you ever pushed yourself, felt that deep ache in your muscles, and wondered if your body was failing you? That burning sensation, that profound weariness, can sometimes feel like a betrayal, leaving us discouraged. But what if that feeling wasn't a sign of failure, but a profound conversation your body is having, a message guiding you to greater strength? For a long time, we believed lactic acid was the villain causing muscle soreness, but that's a myth. Lactic acid is actually a temporary fuel source, a quick energy boost when oxygen is scarce. The real burn, the deep ache, comes from tiny micro tears in your muscle fibers and other metabolic byproducts. Understanding this shifts our perspective from blame to biological wonder. A fatal mistake many make is expecting instant muscle recovery or strength gains without truly grasping the fundamental biological principles of adaptation and repair. This pursuit of a quick fix often leads to frustration and disengagement, much like trying to understand a complex machine by only looking at its surface. So, how do muscles truly recover and grow stronger? It's a beautiful three-step repair and rebuild cycle, a testament to nature's ingenuity. First, intense exertion causes microscopic tears in your muscle fibers. Second, your body responds with inflammation, a vital healing signal, rushing nutrients and repair cells to the site. Finally, protein synthesis kicks into high gear, repairing and strengthening those muscle fibers, making them more resilient than before. This is how you get stronger, not despite the challenge, but because of it. The spirit of inquiry, that natural urge to ask questions and think critically, often stalls when we encounter unconfessed complexities. A lack of genuinely accessible explanations for the intricate processes of fatigue and recovery can make these experiences feel random or unfair. This stifles our deeper inquiry into physical adaptation, preventing us from connecting with the profound logic embedded in our own bodies. Muscle fatigue isn't failure, it's your body's intelligent signal to adapt and grow stronger. Much like a blacksmith forging tougher, more resilient steel from intense heat and repeated hammer blows. It is an invitation to listen, to understand, and to honor the incredible wisdom of your own design. What profound lessons about growth and resilience is your body teaching you through its tireless process of repair and rebuild? We often admire visible strength, yet building a true powerhouse involves more than just exertion. Sometimes our efforts feel unseen, progress slow, leading to a quiet frustration, a longing for tangible results. But what if the very materials for your strength were found in what you choose to nourish your body with? The protein puzzle reveals this truth. What you eat is crucial for muscle building and repair. Proteins are the essential building blocks your muscles use to rebuild stronger, a quiet wisdom fundamental to your body's renewal. Society, however, often distorts the strong person image, focusing only on external appearance. This overlooks critical internal processes like muscle development, the importance of rest, and precise nutrition. True strength, like an ancient tree's deepest roots, is built from the inside out, a testament to internal resilience. To truly discover your body's wisdom, consider the said principle: specific adaptation to imposed demands. Your muscles are incredibly smart, adapting precisely to the asterisk-type asterisk of challenge you give them. Want to run faster? Practice running. Want to lift heavier? Practice lifting. This direct, logical response reveals how your body actively listens to your intentions. A mental factor that often sabotages progress is believing muscle growth is a simple, linear process. Without understanding the biological nuances of training, nutrition, and rest, frustration arises when results aren't immediate or obvious. It is like expecting a magnificent oak to sprout overnight, forgetting the unseen work and patient nourishment it requires. Your muscles are like a magnificent construction project. Training provides the detailed blueprints and challenges, while proper nutrition and rest are the high-quality building materials and essential recovery time needed to complete a masterpiece. What masterpiece are you quietly building within yourself? brick by biological brick, with intention and wisdom. We have journeyed together from the silent, intricate dance of proteins to the lightning-fast commands that spark movement from thought. Sometimes, in the quiet moments of our lives, we might have felt a disconnection from our own bodies, a sense that its workings were a mystery, its aches and limitations a source of quiet frustration. But now, you have unlocked the incredible biological engineering that powers every single movement you make, understanding the invisible forces that shape your physical presence in the world. Understanding your muscles is not just about biology. It is about understanding the amazing machine that is *U** and the incredible, often untapped, potential it holds. It is a profound realization that every step, every reach, every subtle shift is a testament to an ancient, perfect design. This knowledge can transform how you perceive your own strength, your own resilience, and your capacity to engage with the world around you. It reminds us that even when we feel unseen, our internal world is constantly, beautifully at work, orchestrated with divine precision. Ibera the Norio from Manual do Mundo always encouraged us to look at the world differently, to peel back the layers and discover the how behind phenomena. Now that you know the how behind your own movement, the intricate logic of your muscles, how will you use this profound knowledge? Will you explore your physical capabilities with new awareness, or simply marvel at the complex biology that allows you to breathe, to stand, to express yourself? To deepen this connection, try a symbolic practice. Find a quiet moment, close your eyes, and gently clench and then relax your fist, slowly, mindfully. Feel the subtle tension, the release, the quiet strength. This simple act is a conversation with the incredible network of proteins, nerves, and energy within. It is a moment to honor the wisdom of your body, a reminder that you are a living, breathing masterpiece of engineering and grace. Stay curious, keep questioning, and never stop exploring the wonders hidden within your own body and the vast world around you. Your journey of discovery has truly just begun. What new movements, what new expressions will this deeper understanding empower you to bring into being?